taste. Yum yum. Hey, welcome back. You want to impress your parents? Try this. They would love it. First, you need 1 bag of 500 grams of anchovy, some seasoning including sugar, then pepper, also chicken powder, and fish sauce. Finally, we also need green onion, 1 shallot, some garlic, and 2 chili peppers. Begin by washing the fishes with cold water. Gently, please. Once done, add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, also half of tablespoon of fish sauce. Then mix it gently and slowly. Next, cut the green onions and keep the base. Then cut the garlic, the shallot, and the base of the green onion in small pieces, like this. So fast. Nice. After that, heat up the pan and add some oil. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar and cook it until it becomes caramel. Next, add the minced garlic, green onion, and shallot. Stir it a little bit. Now add all the fish and stir it gently. After that, add half a tablespoon of fish sauce and also add the remaining liquid marinated. Now lower the heat to medium and cook until the liquid becomes thickened. Voila! Bon appetit! Don't forget to eat with a nice bowl of rice.